What's up, you guys? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. It's another cleaning motivation. I have for you guys a late night clean with me. I love that feeling of waking up to a clean home in the morning, so I get the majority of my cleaning done at night. As a mom, I find it easy to get my cleaning done whenever the kids go to sleep. So I'm starting off my cleaning in the living room. This is the place that we spend most of our time. My kids love hanging out here. They're watching TV or just playing with their tablets or stuff. They love coming to the living room. They normally hang out like in their older brother's bedroom, but since it's winter, that room, I don't know, the temperature, it's like the heat is not reaching that room. It's kind of like colder, so they just hang out in the living room. Guys, my living room carpet, the area rug, really needs to be cleaned. Don't let the camera deceive you. It's like it's dirty. It really needs to be cleaned. But since it's winter, I'm just ignoring that. I do have the Hoover vacuum that I can use to like spot clean and stuff and just clean the whole area rug if I wanted to, but I don't want to do that because it will take the rug a longer time for it to dry up. So what I'm just doing is sprinkling some powder, the carpet odor remover thing. It's like I bought it from the Dollar Tree. I thought it was gonna smell good, but that thing has no smell at all. So I sprinkled that all over the carpet and then I let it sit for like 10 minutes and then I vacuumed it up. Even though I used my vacuum, there was like some powder left on the rug, so I just decided to move the whole rug and just sweep the floor. After I was done with cleaning the living room and the dining area, I moved on to the kitchen, which is in a complete disaster. I made dinner for the kids and did not clean up. I was waiting for them to go to sleep, but sometimes my kids don't go to sleep on time. They're supposed to go to sleep at 9:30, but sometimes they wait until their dad gets home around like 10:30ish. Like, no, you're not supposed to go to sleep 10:30. You're supposed to be already sleeping by 10:30. I say that because whenever they go to sleep, that is my me time, unless I have work. I didn't have work, so I just wanted to get my cleaning done, sit down, and watch, catch up on my shows, and catch up on social media and stuff. So, as per usual, I have some dishes to wash. I always do. I don't think there's a video here on my channel that has not me washing dishes. Like, I'm always washing dishes. Even though I have a dishwasher, I don't like to load the dishwasher all the time. Like, sometimes the dishes are not a lot, and I'm the type of person, like, I can't wait like till the dishwasher is full. Like, I I might need the bowl that's in the dishwasher already, or the plate that's in there. So I keep opening the dishwasher every time. So what I just do is wash them by hand. I don't like, before I didn't mind like washing dishes by hand, but now it's like kind of getting okay. I'm just not, I'm just not liking it anymore. I'm actually thinking about investing in paper plates, like just buying a whole bunch of them, and whenever my kids want to eat something, they can just use the paper plates, and after they're done, we can just throw it away in the trash. Um, about the dishwasher, even though I have a dishwasher, I don't want to keep loading it all the time, because dishwashers, they use water and we pay for water bills, and they use electricity, we pay for electricity. So I don't want to have to keep every time, using the dishwasher. But what do you guys think? You guys think it's a good investment to use paper plates, especially for a big family like mine? Please leave me a comment in the comment section. And also, I have a question for you guys. These cabinets, we don't own this home, by the way. We're just renting it, but these cabinets, whenever like a stain gets on them, it's really hard to clean up. Do you guys have any suggestions, anything that I can use to clean them up? Please leave me a comment in the comment section if you know any product out there that I can use. I had water boiling so I can mop it with the floor. Lately, I've just been loving mopping my floors with hot water. I don't know, there's just something about this hot water that makes the floor feel just they're clean. I wanted to mop the floor, but my husband was like, let me take over. So I was like, go ahead, you can do it. And I actually added some more places for him to mop. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I hope that this video motivated you. If you are new to my channel, I would love to have you, so please consider to tap that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my other videos. Bye.